Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all great. And just have I had my lunch and I just thought about making video and I was searching a topic for my YouTube channel videos. I personally sharing with you what I am feeling and what is what are the thoughts in my mind. So actually there was no topic in my mind. So you can say it creativity that I thought it may be okay to not having any topic. You can just talk and speak in English. You don't need to be an topic or for speaking or making videos. So I just want to make a series and the parts of speaking in English because I am also improving my English language. And here I don't have any partner with I can practice in English. So, and I want to speak in English very fluently, naturally, not like a robot. That means I I have to prepare something or I have to put it before you as like it. I don't want this. I like to speak fluent in English by my thinking. Whatever thoughts in my mind, I want to express that thoughts with you, and you are here my partner. So with funny ways, I want to uh, interact with you. So here is my mind is full of thoughts because yesterday night I was watching a movie, Buddha's Journey, and I like to say that I would say it's impacted me a lot. That time I decided I will share only good things to others because if I share good things come back to me, return to me. If I share bad things will return to me. Bad things will come to me. So being present and having a thoughtless mind, there is only peace. There is nothing in our mind, and that is called real happiness. Buddha's teaching says that the real cause of unhappiness not the life situation. The real cause of unhappiness is our thoughts about that situations. That's called suffering. So whenever you feel unhappy, just ask a question with yourself that what's going on in my mind right now? Because we are habitual and conditional of thinking that about past or future. We are not thinking in present. We are not living in present. Just look at the flower, just look at the things, pet animals, wild animals, birds. They are in the present. But I realize that for animals it is great, but for human we have lots of responsibilities. How can we present? These these type of questions also arise in my mind. How can we present and how can handle the situations about money, about relationships, about success? These are faculties also needed in our life. But doing that things also, we can present. So why this is troubling to me? It's lots of difficulties. If you are facing lots of difficulties, you will get lots of result, because every difficulty bring you a great lesson, and great lesson take you to the next level, and that is great. So fundamentally and spiritually, socially, economically, these are the faculties of life. But if you are spiritual, then your life will be great, because it gives you peace of mind. Everything in this world is temporary. Our body, these things, everything is temporary. But our soul, that presence, that being, that is not temporary. Just this is platform for English, and sorry for I forgot about to ask question to you. Have you lunch, dinner, or breakfast, whichever time you are watching my video? So my heartily request you to please subscribe to my channel, because I want 2 lakh subscribers. This is my commitment, and you have to make that commitment true. How can we grow? How can we achieve something in our life? If you get answer how, you will get it. So I was reading a book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, right now, and also I'm listening a audio book right now. That book title name is The Power, The Magic of Thinking Big. Yes, the magic of thinking big. If your heart is big, you will see difficulties very small, and if your heart is small, you will see difficulties very big. So make sure to your heart will be big for anything. Find what you have now and what you can give others right now, because what you give, that will come back to you. Okay, this is for without topic practice for today, and I am making lots of videos like that. You will get more speaking practice with me, because it is also great to having with me with video. So take care. Till then, take care. Don't forget to smile and like it, comment if you have any queries, if you have any questions. I like to small questions, and I have also questions. I will ask you questions, and you can give the answer in the comment box in next video. So here our 10 minutes is over. So subscribe to my channel, and check my short videos also, and check in the description box all the videos. You will get more information about English, and I give guarantee you will be great communicator in English. Bye.